Style. So many different meanings in just 5 letters. Style is eternal, and each past generation, each epoch left behind its own features, both special and unique. The combination of aesthetics and convenience is reflected in the new collections of classical doors of the company Aristo. The uniqueness of Aristo's classical doors make customers fall in love from the first sight. Our production of classical doors includes state-of-the-art facilities and truly stands out globally. Automation of orders and software allows us to start production on the day of receiving the order. Orders are executed without error. The production time is very short, only 2 days. Doors can be made according to individual sizes with customization down to 1 mm steps. There are almost no identical orders, but the manufacturing process is still lean and efficient. The newest Italian equipment and high-quality raw materials allow us to produce high-class doors up to 2.808 meters, which even fit perfectly into the larger interiors of modern houses and flats. Production is characterized by a fleet of machines with a large extra capacity, guaranteeing the continuity of the production process even in unforeseen occasions. In case of a breakdown, there are always enough backup machines. One of the best and most expensive membrane vacuum presses in the world from Italy applies any PVC film with excellent quality. We use a large format and high-quality MDF boards, which guarantee easier processing, stability, longevity, and environmental safety. Apart from the sophisticated technology, operations are run by the hands of experienced craftsmen. After the gluing process, the doors move to the manual painting area, which give the visible areas of the MDF an ideal finish. Bas-relief decors, bevels, facet elements are also all made by hand. Only proven specialists inside a separate glass workshop carry out such operations. We use Italian bas-relief decors, which are characterized by minimal gaps and ultra-smooth running of doors in the cabinet's track. The doors do not touch each other. The glass workshop is equipped with a fully automated line that performs complex mirror and glass-related operations, very precise cutting, sandblasting, and engraving. Geographically speaking, the sales range is large. Therefore, we cannot make any mistakes. The quality control department is very strict, thoroughly checking each order for potential defects. Products are protected against fakes in many ways, both on the outer packaging and on the door itself. The buyer can be reassured that he is purchasing an original and a high-quality product. At the same time, stickers may easily be removed, leaving no traces of glue. We pay very special attention to delivery and storage, and grant protection of the product with proper packaging. The design of the doors is developed by our most experienced specialists. At the moment, we offer the following collections: Ivoire, Versailles, Avignon, Florence, Verona, Venice. You can choose a door in any classical style that fits perfectly into your interior, both in size and in appearance. Please check the collections in more detail and learn more on our website www.aristo.co.com.